Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an announcement. But before we get into that, I do want to show you guys how I've been prepping my hair at night while it's straightened. So I've just been wrapping it up and this is what it looks like. When I took it down today, I wasn't sure if I wanted to just wear my hair, just part it down the middle, or if I wanted to do a side part. But then I decided I wanted to do a luscious Diana Ross big look like you currently see me wearing. And this hair is actually Hergivenhair, their Kinky Blow Out texture. And my natural hair only blends with this hair when it's straightened because my hair more so looks like a blowout. So I'm going to show you guys how I actually achieved this look and had a pain-free experience. I recently saw some comments online regarding clip-ins and how they're really painful when some people wear them. So I'm going to show you all how to properly install your clip-ins so that you aren't experiencing any pain or any tugging at your hair. I'm also going to show you all how it can be a protective style even if you're wearing clip-ins. I really enjoy clip-ins a great deal and I don't want to be walking around looking fly but then I'm in a ton of pain. So I'm going to show you all how I go about that process. I generally start at the front of my hair first, and when you're using your clip-ins, you want to make sure that you open them up before ever installing them. And then when you insert them into your hair, you want to bring the clip-in maybe about 1 centimeter from your scalp. Don't drive it directly into your scalp. You're going to lift up when you insert the clip-in and then begin to close the clip. So you're going to insert the clip maybe 1 centimeter away from your scalp. You're going to insert it, lift the clip in so that it comes up, and then close it, and you won't experience any pain. And my clip-ins aren't going anywhere. They're fully secured and they look amazing. My hair is really voluminous and it blends really well with this texture. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, oh my goodness, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the announcement because I know that's what you all came here for. No, I'm not pregnant because I know that's probably what you guys are thinking. get that out of your heads. We're gonna wait on that for a little bit. So guys, many of you all have asked that I do your hair. Many of you guys have talked about the notion of me doing hair for others. I've got a ton of DMs and sometimes even emails regarding potentially doing your hair. I haven't started doing anyone's hair yet, but next month I'm gonna be in LA. And I'm going to do a meet and greet with Hergivenhair, and I'm also going to be doing installs. So this is going to be the first time that I've done that. I've kind of done hair for a friend or whatever, but I've never actually done a client's hair or done anything like this. So it's pretty exciting. So I'm going to be able to do some installs for you guys. Hergivenhair will have all of their units displayed. It's going to be a pop-up shop and you guys can come in. The units are going to be discounted. They're going to be swag bags. You're going to see different hairstylists demoing different styles and doing tutorials and things. The first year that I went with Hergivenhair to do something like this, they did it in New York and we had such a good time. It was a ton of fun. They had food and they had all kinds of stuff going on. It was really, really fun. And I was able to really interact with you guys. I met some of you all at that event. It was super awesome meeting you guys, seeing you all face to face, giving you all tips and tricks on how you guys can blend your hair, properly use protective styles to grow your hair, because that's what I've been doing. You all saw in my last video, I've had a good amount of growth within this year and I attribute it to wigs and also moisturizing my hair. So we're going to talk about those kind of things, how to properly make sure that you're maintaining your hair underneath and ensuring that when you're wearing your units that they're blended really well. I'm going to be showing how to install some of the lace units. I may even do some clip-ins like you guys see currently installed. During this event, you'll get to try on units, you'll get to touch them, have a hands-on experience with the units before you actually purchase. And for those who may not know what their texture match is, we're also going to be helping out with that, so that's going to be really insightful. I will be vlogging the experience, so if you aren't able to make it, I hope that you can. And I'm going to leave a link down below with the ticket information, so if you guys want to come out, if you're in the LA area, you guys can come, meet me, take pictures, have a good time. And there are two different experiences that you guys can buy tickets for. So there's a consultation ticket where you'll get a swag bag with that. And then there's also a VIP ticket where you get a t-shirt along with a swag bag and you'll get some other things that are just gonna be really awesome. The vlog is gonna be nice, but the actual in-person experience, I feel like, is going to be amazing. So, but yeah, guys, that's the announcement. I hope that you all are excited. Thank you all for your well wishes and also believing in me and encouraging me to do something like this, because I never thought I would be doing something like this. But I'm pretty excited. This is only the beginning and we're going to see what else God has in store. So I'm really excited. I look forward to your comments and feedback. Like this video, share it with a friend. Also, get your tickets and I'm going to see you all there. Love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.